Welcome back, all you beautiful people. Today we are going to talk about productivity and procrastination. In this sort of profession, public speaking, and I also give training of business and investing, public speaking, communication, personality grooming, because I like all these things. And whenever I get free time, I keep doing my research. So in this sort of profession, we get to meet so many people. Recently, a few guys asked me this question about productivity and procrastination, and I try my best to share the things that I follow. And whatever the tactics I'm going to share in this video, all these tactics have been tried and tested, so you don't need to worry about it. And I also believe that we are different humans, we have different set of neurons, we have different psychology, so these tactics might work or might not, but at least you can give it a shot, right? So how to be more productive and how to kill this procrastination. I follow few things to be more productive. I believe that whenever humans are given a choice, they tend to take the easier one. So I kill the choices for myself. Like in the beginning, it was really difficult for me to wake up early in the morning. But now I wake up really early. An early bird catches the worm, right? So I wake up around 4:30. But I was hitting the snooze button every time. The moment alarm went off, I hit the snooze button. The moment alarm went off, I hit the snooze button. Every time I was doing the same. Then simple idea. You set this alarm clock far from your bed, because the moment this alarm goes off, you'll have to wake up. There's no other choice. Otherwise, your family will kill you early in the morning. So this alarm, make sure this alarm has to be loud, very loud. So the moment this alarm goes off, you'll have to wake up. You kill the choice. You plan everything if you want to be more productive. You plan everything by killing the choices. That's what I do. So you understand your own life, you understand your own psychology. And if you wish to be more productive, do start by killing the choices, because whenever humans are given a choice, they tend to take the easier one. So I kill choice. I create necessity for myself. Necessity begets invention. This is one of the things I follow. I kill the choices. Then second thing, I announce. Since I'm very much concerned about my reputation, so I announce. I announce my day-to-day things. I announce here in Pep Talk India. I announce in BI University, School of Investing and Business. I announce before my family members. So I announce that I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, and I try my best. I leave no stone unturned to fulfill my promise, because I'm very much concerned about my reputation. I always say, you plan your life, you plan all these tactics, you plan all these strategies by understanding your own psychology first. Since I'm concerned about my reputation, so I announce. Since I understand the basic human nature that whenever humans are given a choice, they tend to take the easier one, so I kill the choices. I just kill it. And third thing, I personally believe that to achieve your big goals, you ought to have small goals, day-to-day goals, everyday goals, every week goals, every month goals. Because if you do not have these sub goals, these small goals, what most of the guys do, they keep thinking about their big goal. Okay, I'm going to buy Ferrari, I'm going to buy a Lamborghini, or I'm going to do this, or I'm going to get this beautiful girlfriend, whatever your goals are. I'm going to get this. They keep thinking about their big goals day in, day out, and they do nothing about it. They don't execute, and they say execution is the mother of all success formulas. They don't execute. Why? Because they're busy dreaming. They're busy thinking about their big goals. So what I do, I set up a goal for myself, whatever my goals are in life, personal goals and professional goals. Then I forget about them. Then I concentrate on achieving small goals. Let's say I have to walk 10,000 steps. So if you have this goal and you're a beginner that you have to walk 10,000 steps, you might not achieve it, because you'll keep thinking about it. 10,000 steps, 10,000 steps, 10,000 steps. So why not chunking it? If you wish to walk 10,000 steps in the beginning, so your first goal has to walk 1,000 steps, then again 1,000 steps, then again 1,000 steps. Now you have taken 10 rounds and you have completed 10,000 steps. What I wish to say, if you wish to achieve your goals, you ought to have sub goals, small goals. Now you're a beginner and you want to do 20 push-ups. 20 push-ups might be Herculean task for you if you're a beginner. So your goal has to complete 5 push-ups first. Then the moment you complete 5 push-ups again, then 5 push-ups again, then 5 push-ups again, 20 push-ups. That's how I achieve my goals. I have everyday goals, I have sub goals, every week goals, every month goals, so that I could achieve my big goals. So I set my goal, then I forget about it. Simple strategy. So I've shared few strategies. First, whenever humans are given a choice, they tend to take the easier one. So if possible, kill the choices. Necessity begets invention. And I understand my psychology, so I announce. Then to achieve big goals, you ought to have sub goals, small goals. Then the question comes about this procrastination. Although both the things are interconnected, productivity, and you're more productive when you kill procrastination. Still, I would like to talk about procrastination. So I was a serial procrastinator and I kept searching the tactics. Okay, how to kill procrastination. I read so many books. I read so many articles. I kept Googling it. How to kill procrastination, how to kill procrastination, what to do, how to get rid of this curse, procrastination. You listen to me. Humans are natural procrastinators, right? The way our brain has been designed, we love procrastination. So what to do about it? Just one thing. Stop Googling it. Stop looking for the tactics. You jump right in. Whatever the work you wish to complete, you jump right in. Why? Because starting is the hardest part. And when you jump right in, you start, you're halfway done. You jump right in. That's it. That's the only solution of procrastination. You want to wake up early, you set this alarm clock far from your bed, and you wake up right away. That's it. Nothing else. Don't give yourself a choice. To kill this procrastination, you jump right in. That's it. You're halfway done. Starting is the hardest. And by jumping right in, you start. That's how I kill my procrastination. It's very simple. You jump right in. I also believe that life is not that complicated, but we humans complicate it. So I believe in simplify the things, and the only solution of procrastination, because I've tried and tested so many things, I've tried following so many tactics of these gurus, nothing worked. So I started jumping right in. I was having a conversation, I was basically having a confab with somebody, and we were talking about procrastination long time back, and he shared this beautiful tactic. He said, you jump right in, that's it, nothing else. Because when you jump right in, you start. And starting is the hardest. Just ask yourself a question. Whenever you have to start a work, starting is always the hardest because you don't even start. You keep thinking, okay, just 5 minutes, just 10 minutes, just 15 minutes. You jump right in. That's it. So we have talked about productivity and we have talked about procrastination. If you have few more questions, please ask. Please do write in the comment section. As promised, we are going to bring so much of information, so much of useful content because we want to help you guys. Just reciprocate by subscribing our channel. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, do subscribe. God bless you.